It's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLA. This is a dream within reach. The sporty styling and performance, however, mean you'll leave a lot of people in the dust. It comes with great features you'll love. Embrace 2 external memory control, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM HD satellite prep radio, driver memory seats, front-wheel drive, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. AutoWeek notes it comes with more room and more features than ever before. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Expect more, expect better at family-owned Long of Chattanooga. Call, click, or stop in to discover a name you can trust. Long of Chattanooga.